English stories with Lengo cards.
The Curious Case of the Vanished Pie. Well, what have we got here? A tale of a vanished pie. And not just any pie, mind you, but one baked by a clever, grown woman named Rosie. She removed the pie from the oven, added all the fixings, and popped it back in. But when she returned 10 minutes later, the pie was nowhere to be found. Disappeared without a trace. Rosie was alone in the house and had no clue what had happened. Feeling a bit spooked, she cautiously closed and reopened the oven. No pie. She started to worry that she was losing the plot. But then, on autopilot, she said,
"Come on, little devil, play nice and give it back. The lady needs it badly."
Can you help solve the mystery of the vanished pie? Give the like button a little love tap if you're rooting for Rosie and her pie to reunite.
Now, that's not something you hear every day, is it? But Rosie was desperate to get her pie back, so she was ready to try anything. To be safe, Rosie left the kitchen and returned later to check on the oven. Alas, still no pie. She even went to the mirror to see if there were any visible changes to herself, but there were none. So, she did what any modern-day detective would do and Googled missing pie from oven. Unfortunately, that didn't yield any results, and Rosie realized she was likely doing something wrong. She pinched herself to ensure she wasn't dreaming and then reminded herself she was a clever, grown woman.
Where could it have gone?
She asked herself. She wondered if her neighbors had been lured by the scent of the fresh baking and checked the open balcony, but no pie. Rosie was becoming quite anxious by now. In desperation, she began to imagine aliens eating her pie on their plates, and she even laughed about it. But then she returned to her senses and had a cup of tea. As she opened the dishwasher to put away the empty cup, she couldn't believe her eyes. There, looking at her in amazement, was her missing pie. The door to the dishwasher had been there all along.
Hungry for more intriguing stories? Subscribe to our channel now and never miss a delicious tale again.
Rosie breathed a sigh of relief and realized that she needed a break. But let's be honest, who hasn't had a moment like that in the kitchen? Even the smartest and most capable can make silly mistakes. We're all human, imperfect, and that's perfectly okay. The end. Have you enjoyed this story? Like and subscribe to our channel to unlock fresh tales and level up your English skills.